As of release 2608, you can add a new workbook component called Maps. It is designed to help you make faster decisions by spotting regional imbalances and supply chain risks at a glance. The map component colors countries based on key figure values. Once it is set up, you can hover over each country to explore those values in more detail. The color indicates the level of severity. A dark red color represents a high key figure value, while a lighter red represents a lower value. In this example, we are looking at unfulfilled demand. The map component also supports layers. Each layer is based on a different key figure, and we will look at the setup in more detail in a moment. You can switch between layers easily. For example, we can move from unfulfilled demand to revenue at risk with just a click. Each layer can also have its own color scheme. In this example, the key figure values fade from dark brown to orange. Like any other component, the map component can be configured using the settings panel. Let's take a closer look at the first layer. First, we specify a key figure. We can also give the layer its own name. In the Attribute Mapping section, we define which attribute provides the country information. The map component requires a country ISO code, and we will look at the related master data type shortly. In the Options tab, we define the color palette and the value labels. Finally, we can specify the filters. Since the map component uses the workbook filter, we can leave this section unchanged. Now let's come back to the country ISO codes. Here, you can see the corresponding customer master data set, where the required attribute and value are defined. Geo-latitude and longitude are not required. And there's more. The map component also supports contextual navigation. So if we identify an area of interest on the map, we can select it and explore further details in another component, such as a planning view. The map component provides a powerful new entry point for analyzing your supply chain data. And with further enhancements already planned for upcoming releases, this is just the beginning.